Yeah, well, I'm Obie Isiguzo. I live in San Antonio, Texas. Here visiting my brother Kingsley and stopped by my good friend Pierre Hedary's Mercedes shop here in the Orlando area. Look at the fine collection of classic Mercedes Benzes that he has, and check out 69 300 SEL 6.3 that through his help we were able to acquire, and we're sorting out.
So how did you meet? How did you discover Pierre? Where did you see him?
Oh, just surfing around YouTube, looking for all things classic Mercedes Benz, and his YouTube channel came up, and it was quite an experience. You know, it was more information and interest driven more than, you know, trying to sell you something. So I really like that. It's a fun place to go and check out facts about classic Mercedes Benz.
And you said, did you make a phone call to Pierre? Is that how you got the conversation?
Yeah, well, actually, I had sent him a question. I had replied to a comment on I had made a comment on one of his videos. I don't quite remember which one. It may have been on the SEL or so, and surprisingly, he replied like within a day, and so we kind of started, you know, texting and calling each other back and forth, and he found out I was interested in a 6.3, and then it just took off from there. Yeah.
And you have other Mercedes too, that you?
Oh yeah, I had several Mercedes Benzes, both old and new ones, G-Wagons, S-Class, CL65, AMG, CLKs. I currently, because I had issues with the newer ones, reliability issues, so I kind of went away from Mercedes Benz for a while, and now I'm really more focused on the classic Mercedes Benz.
That's awesome. Thank you very much. I'm going to go drive the classic Mercedes Benz. If you don't mind, I'm going to ask you to say thank you.
If you enjoy Pierre Hedary's channel on YouTube, please, I will strongly suggest you subscribe to the channel. It's fun, it's a lot of information, and feel free to also contribute to the Patreon site. Okay.